Let's learn how to do a card replacement and a PIN change. You can get the Android mobile app for SuperCard via the Google Play Store or visit our web app at portal.supercard.co.za. If you need assistance with credentials, call our toll-free support line. Ensure you have card stock available to do a card replacement. When doing a card replacement, you should take reasonable measures to ensure that the customer requesting the new card is verified as the authorized account holder. You can ask to verify an identification document. The customer should have the existing PIN code. If they don't have the PIN code, a one-time PIN code can be requested via the phone number associated with their account. If a customer cannot validate any of these security measures, you should contact our toll-free support line. Now, log in with your credentials. Select Replacement from the menu option. In step 1, your customer must give consent to you handling their personal data. You can input your independent contractor code if applicable. You can use code 1 as a default. Now confirm the account by searching with either a valid ID number or valid phone number associated with the account. Confirm the card that the customer needs to replace and select Replace Card. The customer must now enter the existing PIN code or select Forgot PIN to receive a one-time PIN via their mobile phone number. After PIN code verification, you will now enter the details of the new card. You can also use the mobile device camera to scan the QR code on the back of the card to capture the card number. The customer must now enter a new PIN code and verify it. They also need to accept terms of service. You should give them some privacy to input their PIN code. You can now select Replace and you should get a success notification. Be sure to let the customer know that a card replacement fee will be deducted from their account balance. Let's do a PIN change by selecting Change PIN from the menu. Input the card number found on the back of the card and ask the customer to privately enter their existing PIN. Use the Forgot PIN option for a one-time PIN via SMS. Customer must now input a new PIN and confirm selection. Once you select Update, you will get a success notification.